Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Google Maps in WordPress. All right, so let's begin with the video. To add Google Maps to WordPress, start by making sure your domain or website is ready and properly set up. Once everything is in place, head over to Google Maps and choose the location you want to embed into your WordPress site. You can either search for the location or simply tap on the map to select it. After selecting the location, click on the Share button. From there, choose the Embed a Map option. You'll be able to select the size of the map, depending on how you want it to appear on your website. In this case, you can choose a small size, but you're free to pick whichever one suits your layout best. Once you're happy with how the map looks, click on Copy HTML. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard and then click on plus to add a new element or block. This needs to be a custom HTML element, which you can either find manually or by searching for HTML in the block options. After adding the custom HTML block, click on Edit HTML and window will pop up. Here, paste the copied code into it. As soon as you paste the HTML, you should be able to see a preview of how the Google map will look on your page. Finally, click Update to save your changes. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add Google Maps in WordPress. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.